Hello and welcome to eBankBooks online tutorials. In this tutorial I'm going to show you how to work with job costings in eBankBooks. We have to go to Settings menu and click on Modules. To activate the Jobs module, we simply check the box and click Save. Now that this module has been activated, we need to go to Money. We can see job costing here. To start a new job, we simply click on New Job button. Here we have to give our job a name. I'm going to be quite boring here, and provide a description. We can also select a client for this job. And once we're happy, we just click Save button. Now this job appears in the list. Then what we need to do is attach invoices and expenses to this job. So we go to Sales, Invoices. We in fact might like to search our invoices by client in this case. And for this particular client, we may like to attach quotes and these invoices to this new job we've just created. To do so, we go to View or Edit for each of the invoices and quotes. And at the top, we can see Clip to Job button. Just click on this button. It will bring the list of all the jobs for this client. Now our job is here in the list. We click Tick to save. And now we know that our invoice or quote has been clipped to this particular job. Once we're happy, we can just close the invoice. So we might like to do the same for this other invoice. We'll say Clip to Job. And we can see it's also been clipped. Then we may like to go to Purchases and do the same for those expenses that apply for this job. When we're clipping expenses to the job, all of the open jobs in the system will come up when we're searching for them. So you can see that expenses also now been clipped to the job 104. Once we're happy, we'll close everything, and now we can go back to the job costing module. Now for this job, we can see a summary of outstanding invoices for this job and quoted profit and loss versus actual profit and loss. Quoted is based on the amount in the quotes that were attached, and actual is based on the amount of actual sales and expense invoices that were attached to this job. Now we can look in more detail by clicking the Edit button. We can unclip these invoices here if we wish to do so. Now for each job that we have, we can also print a report by clicking on the Print button. The report will open in the separate browser tab, and it will give you the summary of all the quoted and actual expenses and sales listed against that job. It will also show you whether the job has been completed or deleted. Now if this job has been completed, we just tick the Completed button, click Save, and close. It has disappeared from the list of open jobs, so if we now search for completed jobs, it should be in the list. This concludes the tutorial on how to work with jobs in eBankBooks.